Hello everyone, welcome back to the Forex Boat Trade Academy. Victor with you here, and again we have another idea for today, which is a second idea. This time it will be on the Euro versus GBP. Why? Is because the Euro is looking to be pretty weak. We had an idea today on the Euro versus Japanese yen to the downside, and this time it's Euro versus GBP, which seems to be that the euro will be going to be down across the board against other major fiat currencies. So here we go on the euro GBP, where we expect this sort of move to the downside. But before we start, I would like to remind you, all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. Quick jump to the previous ideas. Australian versus Swiss franc is just above the entry point. This idea is valid, expecting move to the upside. As I said, there can be still range trading going on in today, and perhaps tomorrow we will start going up. It could be that it will be the Friday, the moving day. Australian Canadian dollar, we are at the entry point, so still looking for the uptrend, still valid, nothing has changed here. Euro Japanese yen, basically what we expected is the ideal entry on the between this area 121.96 and 121.70, but the price is moving down, so I do expect price to actually continue going down. It might not get back to this resistance area, but it might, we don't know. So here the idea is valid. I still expect this move to the downside because the euro is weak, and besides we're having this idea on the euro pound, which seems quite nice actually also. So here we have a potential entry at the current level, which is 18,953, and it should be pretty good for the shorting, considering the facts that price has rejected the upper trend line of the descending channel that we had here. The price produced a spike but failed to close above the spike, so the channel in fact has been rejected. So the idea is valid, the downtrend is valid. Besides, we had 50 exponential and simple moving averages. Price broke below both of them, you can see, and now it rejecting them both. On the other hand, we have applied FIBs to this corrective wave to the upside, where after the breakout of the moving averages, and here we have 461.8% FIBs as the potential downside target, which is 0.8835 level, yeah. And this sort of move can be expected, which makes it a potential of 117 pips decline. Now we also see the downtrend trend line, which has been rejected at this point. Besides, I have applied this FIBs here, which we used for the target, and we have 88.6% retracement level, which was cleanly rejected today. This is very good, considering that we expect the move to the downside. So this is a very good confirmation that the price might continue going down. And as a confirmation of a downside target, I have a 4-hour chart here. I have applied FIBs to the last wave to the downside, as I do in most of my analysis, because the last wave is always very important. We have this 88.6% FIBs, so basically the arrow should be going lower, and this cleanly corresponds to our 461% FIBs. So we have two FIBs at the same level. This is what we're looking for in terms of the target. In regard to the stop loss, what is the exit? To me, 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, the stop loss must be just above this high. And if price will go above this level, the idea will be clearly invalidated and the uptrend might continue. But the first signs to exit would be obviously the break and close above this resistance here, where the downtrend trend line has been rejected. 0.8990 4-hour break and close, 4-hour and 1-hour break and close would trigger some caution in regards to the downside potential, but only the break and close above this high here would completely invalidate the bearish scenario. So for now it still looks very bearish, and price should be expected to move at least towards the bottom of the channel once again, and then we might see whether there will be some bounces or not. So for now, it's a downtrend along with the Euro Japanese yen, and this is what expected in the coming days. So I hope you enjoyed it. Smash the likes, comments, ask questions, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, guys. Always wish you a profitable trading.